My beautiful and amazing people, hey, where una dey? Make una come out make una come hear update. Omo no be small thing o. Ned Nwoko is already frustrated. He is pained. See, one thing you should continue and forever pray for in life is that if people left you, make they no come meet you for where they left you. E get why. Once they find out say omo without them you can still live your life to the fullest and you can still be doing things in a miraculous way, things that they never believe, they never expect that you will do, you are even doing it better. Those set of people will not only just be disappointed, but they will be pained that I think say if I go it go be like this. Now wow, they will no longer have choice but to come back to you, either to apologize or to beg for forgiveness. But that time, it could already too late. Yes, so my people, una know say ever since Ipa comot for Regina Daniel life, lots of miraculous things have been happening. People that matters, they want to transact business, they want to come close, they want to do things with Regina Daniel. And she, on the other hand, she has refused to even to enter people like that or to mingle with people. She just shall they do her thing on a low. They do what she supposed to do, either for humanity or for people around her. The one which she fit do, she do. The one which she no fit do, she leave am. She enter house her thing peacefully, carry herself. They do anything wey please her, wey make her happy. Now, una know say ever since Okowa was emerged the winner of the people of Delta, where Ipa they represent them for Senate, Ipa no get himself. Why? Because he was thinking that with or without Regina Daniel, he go win am and nothing go happen. Even though, according to wetin we hear, saying that na Okowa na him put Ipa for there, because you know say Okowa was once their governor. Say na him put Ipa for there. Now, Ipa come decamp from PDP, enter APC, saying that they promise him ticket, saying that other in campaign, he no campaign, say they go give him, he go come back again and again, with or without even campaigning. But he just even decide, say, make him still campaign, make him see. But person will put you for place, he still get power to remove you for there now. Abi no be so? Now, the one wey come dey pain Ipa pass, wey make am take this very step, this decision wey him take so, to apologize to Mama Regina Daniel through the people of Anioma, their elders dem, na him I carry come for una so. Una know say as him comot, Mama Regina Daniel started supporting Okowa. She started doing things for Okowa. Why? Because Mama Regina Daniel was given an appointment in that same, she dey represent some people for there, as in she get her appointment where she dey do her own thing. So no be say she just dey like that. Now, everybody they always go for winning team, where go favor am. Mama Regina Daniel, on the other end, not only that she was given an appointment, she also know people, because it don't take where she dey serve the people of Anioma, the people of Delta, the Asaba people. It don't take where she dey serve them. No be today. She don't pay her dues. People like her, people know her. And couple with the fact say her daughter now celebrity, now she be a known very Nollywood actress for that matter. The Mama Regina Daniel too, the same thing. So everybody they go for the highest bidder, where go favor them. Fortunately, Okowa meet Mama Regina Daniel, and Mama Regina Daniel pull out her support for him. For the fact say him don't tell her say see wetin and wetin him go do. They even don't they give money to do some certain things, because when Okowa was there as the governor, according to some people, say he did not really work, or he no really do at all. Like he do, but he no do much. Say at the end of the day, safe they can't say they allege say he even pack their money come out. Now they can't say now because he no get better advisors and he no get people where they supervise. Say in they really allocate things to people, but no better supervisor, no better people to know whether those allocation wey in they give, whether they really they do them. So now Mama Regina Daniel and Regina now in come put for allocation where they go they supervise or in project. They go dey supervise all im project, e go give dem project, they go supervise am, they go do am, they go make sure say they deliver. Na the one wey Mama Regina Daniel dey do now, both for creating awareness and other stuff like that. Like back to back, na she dey work, and the people of Anioma, they really like her. They like Mama Regina, like anything. So now wey im don see say omo, Mama Regina no go down in any way. For a very long time now sef, nobody dey even dey talk about Ned Nwoko again. Im name sef don dey go down, everything dey go down. Im don see am say omo, no way o. Say according to, dem even come dey gossip im matter say when people dey talk, get some set of people dey talk say Okowa shebi e thief una money when im be governor. Una eye never clear, una never know wetin una dey talk. Say some people come dey talk am say e better for person wey go thief our money, wey go leave us alone, than the one wey be say e go come dey carry private jet, dey carry us go put for inside kirikiri. At the end of the day, we go come dey carry small money wey we dey take farm, dey use am dey go dey solve problem. E better like that. Say we no want person wey go dey carry us go kirikiri. We want person wey go thief our money. After all, no be our money. Na our money, e no concern una. Make una leave her like that. E be like say the gossip come get to am. E dey confused. E no know wetin e go do. Omo, na im dey say Ipa, out of shame and disgrace, say wetin im eye don see, wetin people don talk, na im dey say e look for Mama Regina Daniel. E start dey send people make dem go beg her, send elders make dem go beg Mama Regina Daniel, saying that he is sorry for everything that he has done. You know say Mama Regina been tell us say even some of the things wey she been dey do that time, all those giveaway, charity, wey she dey come dey talk say na Ned Nwoko na im send her. Say na because Ipa no dey really dey do the work, allegedly, according to the story. Say Ipa no dey do am, so it just dey be like a thing of shame, because you know say they follow do the campaign. They follow because of them. Some people came out of their comfort zone to come and vote, to come and cast their vote on that day, let their voice too be heard. So e come dey get as e be say Ipa been promise some kind things, as e no come dey fulfill am. So she need to cover up in a way, so that make the lapses no really dey for their end. Say no be the set of people wey you carry come, wey you come campaign for us, wey una lie for us, say una go do thank you, una go do very much. No be im be this one, una no do anything. Abeg make una enter house. Say na im make she dey comot her personal money, dey take on dey do all those things that time wey she dey do, so that they no go come give her name join Ipa. Na she talk am say thank God say she did what she did that time. She no allow the thing enter her head, say she wan leave am for Ipa. Thank God say she come dey out of her way, dey comot her own personal money, dey come dey do some kind things for am. Because you know say when Ipa dey separate, Ipa come dey tell the whole world say the money wey he don give Mama Regina Daniel ever since he marry Regina Daniel so far, over 100 and something, abi how much, make una remind me for the comment section. Say he don give her over 100 and something thousand million dollars, abi na naira. How many million wey he don pack give Mama Regina? People come dey say we talk am, say she is after the money, she is after this. Now Mama Regina say na the money wey be say he no dey gree do. Na sometimes they allocate her make she go do small waka. If she don lament say these people wey be say you talk say you go do this for, you go do that for, you no go do am again. They don't allow them to talk. I no wan talk. This is not what you promised them. This is not what you say. This is not what you say. He go come comot small something, give her, say, oh yeah, go do. She go see say e no dey enough. She go still comot her own join her. So ever since then, all the things wey she dey do, the giveaway wey she dey go do, the women wey she dey go buy wrapper, buy rice, buy this, buy that, they pack, they go give. Make dem check how much be the worth of those things wey Hilux, wey be say big motor dey pack come. Make dem check the amount. Shebi na 100 and something thousand, 100 and something million wey im give her, na im go cover all those things countless times wey she don do am. All the things wey she don do, make dem go check am. Shebi na im go make that money, na that money na im go solve everything? Of course not. So im just dey whine himself. E dey find make dem blame Mama Regina Daniel dey more, but God still put am to shame. E make am, na that time she even dey more famous pass. Na that time people come dey talk and say it has happened, it has happened. Let us just forgive and allow wetin God already sign am, because if God no sign am, e no go happen. Omo, as im see am say no, Mama Regina is making wave, and Okowa na him because im be dey wait, e still dey press button, dey think say something good will come out, maybe miraculous thing go still happen. One thing lead to the other, im see say omo im name sef people don forget am for one corner, nobody dey even dey remember say Ned Nwoko dey again. Na im the man dey devastated o, e dey pained, e dey disappointed that God, na me be this, na im be this matter o. Na dey say e stoop so low. You know say when you cannot get there again, e reach the level wey be say e no fit meet her direct again, you have to send people. They say e send elders to Mama Regina Daniel publicly, say abeg make dem help am apologize to Mama Regina Daniel. That he is not even apologizing for Regina Daniel to return or anything. He's apologizing that she should find a place in her heart to forgive him and allow peace to reign between them. No be the one where they go see themselves for road, they go they tell themselves say no, I can never go back, or I no get anything to do with you. Why you can't stop me, or why I go jam you for road, or as I see you like this, so na nightmare or something. Say I beg, may they help and beg Mama Regina Daniel. Now they say Mama Regina say she no hold Ipa for mind though. Now her daughter wey in day they stalk up and down, wey e no wan allow the daughter breathe, e no wan allow the daughter do anything meaningful with her life. Say na that one na im be her problem. Say she no hold Ipa for mind at all at all. So that should not even be the bone of contention, that she know who Ipa for mind. Say she dey do her thing. Now they say the elders no be small beg o, they gather Mama Regina Daniel, they beg her. She say she still dey talk am. She's refused. She stand on her ground. She say she did not hold him in mind. That what has happened, and it is in the past. Say she no hold am for mind. Now I say good. Now this one I they call proper description of a mother. Normally, you know go come beg her once, you can't expect her say she will call the true support for you now. You know they possible. You know if it ever happen again, sef, because she's already throwing her support for Okowa, a highest bidder. So if it didn't work, it didn't work. If you wanted her to support you, maybe you go choose another career, choose another thing. Maybe by then she feel pity, she feel have heart of God for her mind, feel let go. But with waiting, he don't even use her eye, they see safe. He even need to forgive. My people, I say the matter, some people they say, me Mama Regina no even forgive anything. But she forge ahead, they continue her thing. Make she no even answer the elders, because as they pressurize her, make she just we talk something. She still they stand on say, you know, hold on for mine, you know, do this one, you know, do that one. She they do it, she they do. Say she for no even answer. Make she hold on for mine. She deserve to hold on for mine, because one moment he's doing something else, another moment he's saying another thing. So he's not even deserving her time. You don't even deserve her time at all. She not even supposed to even answer them at all. But me, I say, talk. You never can still tell. This life they very small, you know. But now waiting the man really do that girl. Now I know like now my they beg, they send people, they send elders. Another moment now you go see him, you go do another thing. No be lie, they lie. But in all, we should all learn to forgive. Or what do you guys think? Drop your opinion on the comment section. Do it to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble get gifted gist. I'm the bring on latest. See you guys in my next upload.